Friends, in our daily lives, we usually take photos and videos like this. While there's nothing wrong with that, but for safer and more discreet recording, we have modified the phone. The front camera of the Huawei Mate 30 has been relocated to the top. We drilled a 2mm hole using CNC technology at the top of the phone's frame and placed the modified front camera inside. Now, let's look at the recording quality when the phone is laid flat on the box. The clarity is impressive. With our pre-installed background recording app, you can easily achieve black screen recording and background recording. It's no exaggeration to say that this is the best spy camera to date. Finally, let's briefly showcase our background recording app. It's incredibly powerful, allowing you to record in the background and with a black screen even without any network or Wi-Fi. The recorded content can be encrypted, making it very secure. Now, you can record more covertly without raising any suspicion.